Now in today's video, I'm going to provide a summary of Andrew Huberman's podcast where he talks about the science-based tools to improve your headaches. Now he mentions that there are 4 types of headaches. So the first are tension-based headaches. This is when your muscles start to get tight as a result of stress, lack of sleep, dehydration, and so the muscles around your forehead and your neck and your jaw can start to get tight, and this causes tension. And when the tension builds up, we get muscle aches, which cause headaches. The next type of headache is when vasodilation in the meninges causes an increase in pressure in the skull. So what this means is when the blood vessels start to get bigger, the meninges, which is a layer between the skull and the brain which protects it, has all these blood vessels going through it. And so when these blood vessels start to get bigger and wider, there's not a lot of room for it to go. So this causes an increase in pressure, and that pressure causes headaches. The next type is called cluster headaches. This is when the trigeminal nerve, which is behind the eye, nose and mouth, start to get inflamed. And this inflammation can cause headaches specifically behind the eye. And the last is inflammation of the head and neck. So we could get some sort of infection or injury around that neck or the head area. And because there's so many blood vessels in that area, the inflammation can start to spread to the brain, and that can cause headaches. So knowing the 4 types of headaches is helpful in terms of what we can actually do to treat them. There were 4 main types of treatment he goes through. The first were omega-3 fatty acids, which you can get from foods like fish and over-the-counter supplements. Having 1 gram a day acts as an anti-inflammatory and can reduce pain. The second type of treatment he mentions is Botox. This is specifically related to the muscle tension-based headaches. So we can get Botox into the muscle that causes the muscle to relax, and this can relieve those muscle tension-based headaches for long periods of time. The next treatment he mentions is applying peppermint or eucalyptus oil to the area where the pain is on the skin and just rubbing the oil on. This causes mental and muscle relaxation and activates the sensory neurons, which cause cooling down in our body. So this shuts down the pain and heat pathways in the body, and it can help with the tension-based headaches. And the last treatment he mentions is acupuncture. This causes the muscles to start to relax and activates the anti-inflammatory pathways. So it helps with those tension-based headaches, helps with the anti-inflammatory based headaches as well. Now this was a short summary of the Huberman Lab podcast where he goes over the different types of headaches and the types of treatments you can use. I hope you found this information valuable. Make sure to see a doctor if you have got long-term headaches. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and then I'll see you again in the next video.